Hi, everybody. It's Kara again.
And Annabelle.
We haven't done this in a really long time, and we have 3 books left. So we're going to do it. Today's Mo Willems book is Elephants Cannot Dance. And look at this. Here's Gerald, and he looks a little worried. See his face? He's got big eyes. He looks a little worried. But Piggy, she is not worried. She's pretty happy, and she's dancing. Here we go. There's Piggy in her ballet costume and her tutu, and that girl is dancing. Elephants cannot dance. Poor Gerald doesn't think elephants can dance. I wonder what Piggy thinks about that.
Gerald!
Huh?
Let's dance. I can teach you. I am teaching all my friends.
I would love to learn how to dance. But elephants cannot dance.
You're kidding me.
No. Look it up. Page 11.
Gerald, it does not say that you cannot try.
You are right, Piggy. I can try to dance. I will try to dance. Let's dance! Oh.
Okay, let's go. Jump with me when I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump!
Jump!
You were a little late on the jump.
I was a little late on the jump.
We will try again.
We'll try again.
Move your arms this way. We will try again.
We'll try again.
Lift your leg this way.
Oh.
We will try again.
We will try again.
Up.
Up.
Down.
Down.
Spin.
Spin.
Stop.
Stop.
Forward.
Forward.
Backward.
Backward.
Wiggly waggly.
Wiggle. Waggle.
Robot walk.
Robot walk. Enough! Oh. Gerald does not look like he's having fun. Poor Gerald, look at him. Oh, I have tried, and I tried, and tried, and tried, and tried. But I am an elephant. And elephants cannot dance.
Oh, Gerald.
He's so droopy. He's so sad.
Hello. We are ready to learn some moves. I'm sorry, I cannot teach you now. My friend is sad. Silly, we don't want you to teach us. We want to learn the elephant.
What?
teach us, please? Me too. Me 3.
Oh. My feeling! Keep trying! You're getting it! Look at that! Gerald didn't think he knew how to dance, but he was dancing. He was dancing the elephant. Here's Pigeon. Looks like she's dancing the elephant too. Here we go. Bye!